Hongxunjie HJ-807 remote control fishing bait boat just works so well on sailing. Now it's the trolling function. Hold the net into the boat and it will draw the net when moving. Then you can easily control the boat and release the net. Then, make sure the feeding cover needs to be fully closed before adding the bait. Now, press the open button. Feeding cover will be open with beeping sounds, and bait will come out. Press close button, and feeding cover will close slowly until the beeping sounds is disappeared and indicator light changes into always bright. Attach the fishing line into the boat and remote it to the destination and enjoy fishing. For battery charging, simply use the USB cable and connect to port. Then put it back to the battery compartment and close the cap and tighten the screw. HJ-807 has come with 2.4G remote control, which features long-distance control without interference. Now, let's get started. First, turn on the remote control. After 2 beeping sounds from the remote control and body lights always bright, pairing is finished. If multiple boats racing together, frequency needs to be paired one by one. If frequency do not match, turn off the boat first, and then turn off the remote control and restart the boat. If it stops working suddenly due to low power and with warning sounds and light, release the trigger first. Then adjust the steering wheel and pull the trigger again. This sport boat has its unique backpack, so it's easy to carry. So this is Hongxunjie HJ-807, your best fishing boat.